make slime activator. This video we are making because we make glitter slime and slime activator we need, and we cannot go out because there is coronavirus. So we are going to make a homemade slime activator. Let's start the experiment. Material required: water, white salt, detergent powder, spoon, stirrer, dropper, a beaker. First take water in beaker, 3 to 4 spoon. And now after taking water in a beaker, add a pinch of salt. Add 1/4 spoon of detergent powder and mix it well. Now you can see that my slime activator is ready. In next video I will show you how to use this slime activator and to make a slime. Thank you.